In times of emergency, there is no fear of the elements. YRF Textile Emergency Raincoat provides the best protection. High-quality waterproof material, lightweight and durable design, keep dry in bad weather. Easy to put on and take off, easy to carry and store, essential for rescue. Suitable for natural disasters, military missions, government reserve donations, etc. Providing reliable protection for victims and rescuers. We are YRF Textile Co. Ltd., a professional factory in China, one-stop emergency products. In times of crisis, a solid line of defense.